We'll guide you through how to get Zapier certification. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Zapier certification page by going to the Resources section in the top menu and selecting the certification option. Here, you can find details about the certification program. You need to enroll in the course to begin. Click on the Enroll Now button, which will take you to the course dashboard. The certification involves a series of modules and quizzes designed to test your knowledge of Zapier's automation tools. Go through each module at your own pace. It's important to pay attention to the video tutorials and read the provided materials because the quizzes are based on these. After completing all the modules, you'll need to pass a final assessment to get certified. The assessment is typically a combination of multiple choice questions and practical tasks where you demonstrate your ability to create Zaps. Make sure you have a good understanding of how to connect different apps and automate workflows, as this is crucial for the practical part. Once you pass the assessment, you'll receive your certification, which you can showcase on your LinkedIn profile or resume to highlight your skills in automation. Remember, this certification can be a great asset if you're looking to enhance your professional profile or seeking opportunities that require expertise in automation. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.